Good morning. My name is Marco Antonio Ramirez. File 3118354. Instructor Cheryl Amador. Activity audio lesson on activities and obligation at work. Position logis assistant. I had to be punctual. I have to count the safety regulation. I must have excellent personal hygiene. I must not have bare or long nails. It should be organized. It should be proactive and efficient. Thank you.